Hi everybody, my name is Bobo and I'm 9 years old. Today, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do in my videos. So, the first thing I do is that animations. I do animation like use fire lizard arm. That video on description below.
Use fire.
Okay. And it includes tutorials for games, and I do play some games of mine and other. So all of these is just one of the things. So thank you guys for watching this trailer. So if you like my videos, please subscribe. We're gonna reach 10 subscribers or more. If you guys subscribe, so do subscribe and like. Bye.